Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best RV leveling blocks available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned RV adventurer or just starting out, having the right leveling blocks can make all the difference in your experience. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our countdown at number 5, we have the 12-pack RV leveling blocks from Ulame. This set offers great versatility, featuring 12 blocks that can be stacked to your desired height, making it suitable for a wide range of leveling tasks. Each block is 8.5 inches square and 1.5 inches tall, with 2 additional top blocks for extra customization. These blocks are made of polypropylene materials with UV-resistant additives, enhancing durability even when exposed to harsh sunlight. Whether you're leveling your RV, trailer, or stabilizers, this set is designed to handle it all. In terms of build quality, Ulame has done a commendable job with its thick, reinforced structure. The blocks interlock securely, giving you peace of mind when setting up on uneven surfaces. With a weight of just over 10 pounds for the entire set, these blocks are portable and come with a sturdy carrying bag for added convenience. However, the block's thickness may make them less compatible with vehicles requiring finer height adjustments. While this product doesn't have a listed price at the moment, it offers excellent value for anyone looking for a durable and versatile leveling solution. It's perfect for RV owners who frequently camp in varied terrains. On the downside, the relatively limited customer reviews and unknown price point may leave some buyers hesitant. Overall, the Ulame 12-pack is a solid, no-frills option for those who need reliable performance. At number 4, we have the RV Mate Camper Levelers 8-piece kit. This kit is a game-changer for those who want quick and hassle-free leveling. It includes 2 curved levelers, 2 chocks, and 2 rubber grip mats, all packed neatly in a black carrying bag. The curved design allows for precise height adjustment, letting you level your RV in increments between 1/2 inch and 4 inches. Made from high-density polyethylene, these levelers can handle up to 35,000 pounds and work with tires up to 32 inches in diameter. What makes this kit stand out is its double anti-slip design. The gear mesh prevents slippage between the levelers and chocks, while the rubber grip mats provide additional friction with the ground. This means you can confidently use the system on various surfaces without worrying about stability. However, the curved design might not be ideal for those who prefer traditional stackable blocks. While the price is currently unavailable, the RV Mate Camper Levelers offer a unique solution for anyone who values efficiency and ease of use. They are particularly suited for dual-axle trailers and motorhomes. On the flip side, the relatively small number of customer reviews, 690 ratings, may make some buyers cautious. Still, the innovative design and heavy-duty materials make this a strong contender in the RV leveling game. Coming in at number 3 is the RovMate RV Leveling Blocks 12-pack. This set is designed for heavy-duty use, featuring 12 interlocking blocks made from high-density, reinforced materials. Each block measures 8.5 inches square and 1.5 inches tall, with 2 thinner top blocks for fine-tuning. The blocks are highly versatile, capable of supporting single and dual wheels, hydraulic jacks, and stabilizer jacks. They're a great option for reducing trailer movement and ensuring a stable setup. The build quality here is impressive. The interlocking design ensures a secure fit, while the durable construction can withstand the rigors of frequent use. At just over 10 pounds, the set is easy to transport, and the included carrying bag makes storage a breeze. However, the thicker blocks may not be suitable for vehicles that require more precise height adjustments. Although the price is not listed, this set offers excellent value for those seeking a reliable and sturdy leveling solution. It's ideal for RV owners who want a no-nonsense product that gets the job done. On the downside, the relatively low number of customer reviews, 286 ratings, might make some buyers hesitant. Nonetheless, the RV Mate 12-pack stands out for its robust design and practical features. At number 2, we have the Tri-Lynx 00015 Lynx Levelers, known as the original RV leveling blocks. These have been a favorite among RV enthusiasts since 1992. This 10-pack features bright orange, interlocking blocks that are easy to stack and customize for your desired height. Each block measures 8.5 inches square and is made of durable plastic, capable of supporting the weight of most RVs and trailers. The included blue nylon carrying bag is a convenient touch, keeping everything organized when not in use. The build quality is top-notch, with a sturdy design that can handle years of use. At just 0.48 ounces per block, these are lightweight yet incredibly durable. The 10-year manufacturer warranty is a testament to their reliability, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. However, the lack of advanced features like anti-slip mats or handles may leave some users wanting more. Priced at $29.86, the Tri-Lynx levelers are the most budget-friendly option on this list. They're perfect for first-time RV owners or those who want a simple, effective leveling solution without breaking the bank. The only downside is that they might not be as heavy-duty as some of the premium options. Overall, these are a fantastic choice for anyone looking for affordability and reliability. Finally, at number 1, we have the Camco Fasten RV Leveling Blocks. These premium leveling blocks are designed with functionality and durability in mind. This 10-pack features interlocking blocks that allow you to create a stable and customizable leveling platform up to 4.5 inches high. Each block measures 8.5 inches square and is constructed with a quad-grid extreme load-bearing design, providing superior stability for single or dual wheels, hydraulic jacks, and more. What sets these blocks apart is the integrated T-handle, which makes carrying and storing the blocks a breeze. Simply twist the handle to lock the blocks together for compact storage. Made in the USA, these blocks are built to last with high-quality polymer materials. The bright yellow color adds visibility, making them easy to locate even in low-light conditions. However, at 8.5 pounds, they might feel slightly heavier than other options. Priced at $51.04, the Camco Fasten blocks are the most expensive option on our list, but they deliver unmatched quality and convenience. They're ideal for RV owners who want a reliable, heavy-duty solution that simplifies the leveling process. The only drawback is the higher price point, but if you're looking for the best in class, the Camco Fasten RV leveling blocks are worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I get back to you as soon as possible. Happy RVing!